How to fix Instagram message problem. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. So let's dive right in without wasting any time. Also make sure to watch this video till the end. So before starting the video, make sure to update Instagram to the latest version. So first of all, go to the Play Store, tap on the search icon at the bottom right corner, then tap on the search bar. Now type Instagram and click on search at the bottom right corner. Tap on Instagram. Now tap on update if it's available. Now go back to the home screen and open up settings on your device. Now scroll down and click on apps. Then go to app management. Now simply scroll down and find Instagram. Now click on force stop and go to storage uses. Tap on clear data, tap on delete and restart Instagram. If nothing solves the issue, go to Instagram, tap on profile at the bottom right corner, tap on three lines at the top right corner. Now scroll all the way down to the bottom. Now tap on help. Now click on report a problem. Now tap on report. Tap on don't include. Now simply describe the issue. You can also attach the screenshots and tap on send. I hope this would fix your issue. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe our channel and see you in the next video.